Hello students, Happy New Year to everyone. So let's start today's video with an instance.
Sid asked his mother to make gajar ka halwa one more time that she made on New Year Eve because that was too delicious and I want to share with my friends. Mom said yes and went to market which is at distance of 1 kilometer to buy carrot means gajar of quantity 5 kg and milk of 2 liters.
Everything around us, right from the amount of the sugar you are adding in cake, a length of the football field has a value of measurement. Today we will learn the most important topic, conversion of units. It is something that we are doing every day, even if we don't realize it. It is not just for scientists and engineers. We are using in our home, offices, and other places. Students, have you observed that I specifically mentioned 5 kg of carrot, 1 kilometer of distance, and 2 liter of milk? To understand the conversion of units in a better way, let's have a look on the table of conversion. This is table of conversion. Here we can see in the middle we have a base unit means meter, liter and gram. The units toward the right of it are smaller than the base unit, whereas the units towards the right are bigger than it. Now, if we want to convert the bigger units to small units, we always use multiply. On the other side, if we want to convert the smaller units to the bigger ones, we always divide. I personally learned this term with the help of BSM. So what does it mean? That is big to small multiply. And for division, I have created SBD. Now I will tell you how to learn this term BSM means big to small multiply. Now एक बड़ी चीज छोटी चीज को भस्म कर सकती है. So in this way you can remember this term. Now when we are converting the small units to the big units, we always divide. And we can learn this term like in Hindi, the छोटे छोटे अक्षर को जोड़ के हम बड़ा शब्द बनाते हैं. So this is called शब्द. Definitely you will like this term Bhasma and Shabd. Let's convert 5 kg to gram. Now kg are the bigger unit than gram. We need to apply Bhasma. Big to small multiply. Now kg is how many far from the gram? Three places. 1, 2 and 3. So we need to multiply with the 1000. So 5 into 1000 that is 5000 grams. 1 kilometer to meter. Now again, kilometer are the bigger, meter are the smaller. Again, we will apply Bhasma. Big to small, multiply. Now, kilometer is how many far from the meter? Again, three places, 1, 2, and 3. Again, we will multiply with 1000. 1 into 1000, that is 1000. Is 2 liter to kiloliter. Liter are the smaller unit and kiloliter are the bigger unit. Means small to big. And we are applying SBD. Means shabd. Small to big, divide. So now liter is how many far from kiloliter? Again three places. 1, 2 and 3. So we will divide 2 divided by 1000.
Trick 2 is to learn the table of conversion. You can learn this table by King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk.
I hope conversions of units are now easy for all of you. Keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.